Dear ladies and gentlemen, thank you for joining to pre-conference podcast of Future Bridge. My name is Olga, and today pre-conference podcast is dedicated to Mining 4.0, the roadmap to the future. The event will happen in Barcelona on 8 and 9 of November. And I'm excited to welcome my guest today is Eric Pohlmann of Nerospec. Eric, thank you very much for joining us. Welcome.
Yeah, thank you, Olga. Good to have you here.
Great. Eric, my first question to you is, would you be able to tell us more about yourself and Nerospec?
Sure, absolutely, Olga. Happy to do so. I myself, I'm in the mining industry now for 15 years. Spent quite some time now with the Nerospec and Schmidt-Kranz group in Germany housed, but before that I spent the majority of my time with Sandvik in the equipment manufacturing side there in Finland and all the other good places that Sandvik works with. And I started my career with artificial intelligence in the area of factory automation, which fits perfectly to digitalizing mines and what we're doing today with Nerospec SK. And Nerospec SK is fully focused on improving safety and productivity in mines. And we do that by enhancing machines with electronics, with digital solutions. In the safety side, that's mainly and traditionally collision avoidance systems, proximity detection interface, vehicle intervention interface. And our strength there is really to intervene with any type of vehicle that's out there. If it's prepared for it or not, we know how it goes. And then automation is what we also do. And I see a big opportunity in automation for improving safety in mines in general in the future. I think automation will be the biggest game changer in the next 10 years. But then we also do on the productivity side things like productivity tracking, tonnage, machine health, and the dashboarding. Short interval maintenance and control is what we call it. Monitoring and control, yeah.
Great, thank you very much for your answer. We are excited about your presentation, and thank you very much. Our great gratitude for actually being our business development sponsor of the event and supporting Future Bridge in this. I'm curious if you can share here a bit what to expect from your presentation. Just a bit of a teaser.
Yeah, a sneak preview, right? Absolutely. Yes. So what I plan to bring to the presentation is some real insights on what it is that we're doing and how it works, and show that with a lot of practical examples. That means really, what does the integration into a vehicle look like? How do we do it? What's the effort? How does it work electrically? How do we work in those projects? What types of projects do we work on, right? We have thousands of vehicles out there where we've installed these solutions. So this is established, robust technology. And also what I want to bring along, just to tease the people there, is what we can do with automation already today. And maybe just a word there is like autonomous loading is something I want to show, in LHD, loading autonomously. I think it's going to be super exciting.
Great, we cannot wait for that moment. So 8 and 9 of November in Barcelona, that's the place we're going to meet. Eric, I have, let's say, final question for us to discuss today. As a specialist in the industry, for sure, you are actually observing some challenges. Would you be able to name a few of them and maybe possibly give us idea how, for example, Nerospec can help fight those challenges?
Yeah, absolutely. Very happy to do so, Olga. There are plenty of different challenges, but one of the major and typical one we're seeing in the space of digitalization, automation, smarting up mines is just connectivity, because we're talking about mobile things that need to share data. So what we're all used to in nowadays, using our mobile phones for everything, right? This is what doesn't work in specifically underground mine environments. And this is where specific communication technology is required, be it Wi-Fi, LTE, leaky feeder, data via leaky feeder solutions. This is also a specialty of technical solutions we make ourselves and bring to market proudly and uniquely. And to solve this challenge, because it's really a regular challenge.
Thank you very much for your answer. We are grateful for your time to share some insights here with us today on our pre-conference podcast. We're looking forward to meet you in person on 8th and 9th of November in Barcelona. We are excited about your presentation and the insights you're going to bring to the summit. Thank you very much.
Super. Thanks, Olga. Happy to be there. Happy to see you and all of the rest of the people. Looking forward to it.